Undoubtedly, the most significant error related to apple cider vinegar often goes unnoticed. Are you aware of what this blunder entails? You may have even unwittingly committed it previously. In this video presentation, we will shed light on the 5 most prevalent errors people make when incorporating apple cider vinegar into routines daily. Also guide you toward the proper methods, ensuring you extract the maximum potential from apple cider vinegar. It can end up doing more harm than good if consumed or used incorrectly. If you have developed a habit of sipping apple cider vinegar immediately post-meal, it would be prudent to reconsider your approach. To derive maximum benefits, it is advisable to consume apple cider vinegar on an empty stomach. For individuals grappling with digestion issues, it is recommended to ingest it prior to commencing a meal. This practice helps replenish depleted gastric juices and fosters smoother digestion. Furthermore, exercise caution not to inhale the pungent aroma of apple cider vinegar, as it may provoke unpleasant reactions in the nasal passages or eyes. To mitigate the vinegar's potent odor and safeguard your dental and esophageal health, it is advisable to consume it in a diluted form. Prepare a mixture by combining 1 to 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with 100 milliliters of water before ingestion. Moreover, it is prudent to refrain from immediate toothbrushing after apple cider vinegar consumption. Brushing your teeth immediately can result in enamel erosion, potentially leading to cavities. To avoid this, it is recommended to wait for at least 30 minutes before engaging in dental hygiene routines after consuming apple cider vinegar. If you are new to apple cider vinegar, it is ill-advised to commence with excessive quantities. This cautious approach allows you to gauge your body's response. Should you experience symptoms like an upset stomach or a burning sensation, you can easily adjust the dosage. Additionally, consuming apple cider vinegar right before bedtime carries the risk of esophageal irritation, as it may reflux back up the esophagus. To prevent such discomfort and safeguard your esophageal health, irrespective of the time of day, it is essential to maintain an upright posture for at least 30 minutes following apple cider vinegar consumption. Now that you are equipped with the knowledge of proper consumption, why not delve deeper into the extensive benefits that apple cider vinegar has to offer? We are confident that the insights shared in the video above will leave you truly impressed with the potential of apple cider vinegar.